Hope you are doing well. So welcome to my channel, and in this video I will tell you that how I have made this project. And in this project we have used React.js for development, and this project name is website development as college library system, or you can say college library website. So let's see how this project run, then I will tell you that how this all work. So for this, what you have to do, you just have to go to file, open folder, then you have to open this project folder from your download folder. So when you will open, it will open like this. Basically this is a Visual Studio Code IDE, and IDE is known as integrated development environment, where you can do compilation and interpretation of code. So it's means check the whole bundle at once. So for running of this code, what we will do, we will go to terminal, then new terminal, okay, and then we will give a command npm install to install npm libraries. But for that you should download install node.js first. So after that, second command we have to give only npm start, simple, nothing more. So we will get our website like this. So you can see some books here are mentioned here, like Mean Camp by Adolf Hitler, Chronicles of Narnia by C.S. Lewis. Even a nutshell of this book is given here. So suppose that if I want to add a book, then I will click on this add book, and then I can add the book, like add book, book name, author name, brief description, detailed description. So when I will add all this, then I will click on this add book, that book will be added. Okay, so let me show you other function. So see, we have added like lots of book. Then if we want to add student, so for that, what, click on this add student. Okay, add student name. Suppose that if I take a student name Vatshayan and address Delhi, see, my name has been added here. Now suppose that if I want to check, or if I want to give my name, or suppose that if you are developing for your like college purpose, then you can change the name here. By how, like suppose that you will go here, developer student name, so you can just add your name like xyz, then save. You will see developer xyz will come here. So even you can link a page here, that's why link is given here. And then you can like give your whole description, your class, college, everything about your college you can keep there, so there will be a new page on it. So till then, suppose that if I want to take this book, Chronicles of Narnia, so assign, click, then select student. So what I will do, I have added my name earlier with sign, so click on assign book. So if you will see, the book student who borrowed this book, so these two students have been like borrowed until earlier, until now, you can say. So if I will click on my name also, you will see I have ordered the book of the Chronicles of Narnia, author, issued on, date, past, return date. So everything is left, means everything days, how many days are left, everything is mentioned here. So this is a whole React.js project. See, now if you will ask me what is this benefit of this project, suppose that if you want to do code, if you want to do some changes here in code, then as you do, you just have to click on Control plus S, and then here will be the changes, means it gives changes at every second you do the development. So that's the benefit of this React.js. So if you like this work, basically this whole project model I have, means like taken from different sources and then compiled in one, means you can say combined in one and then made it. So thanks for the internet for this. And if you need code of this project, you can let me know. I will keep my contact description in the YouTube description. So hope you like this project, and there are like other different videos on different computer science domain. If you like that too, then please visit and watch those videos. Thank you.